Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix CurseForge not logging in. So, if CurseForge isn't letting you log in, follow the steps in order and most login issues get fixed by one of these. Step 1 is checking CurseForge server status. So, sometimes the issue isn't on your side. If CurseForge servers or authentication services are down, login won't work no matter what you do. Simply navigate to a browser and search for CurseForge server status, hit enter and simply navigate to any IP tracker or server status checker and click on it and see if the status is up or down. If it's up, then the problem is on your end. If it's down, you'll have to simply wait a few minutes and try again later. Now, step 2 is restarting CurseForge properly. So, completely close CurseForge from the system tray, not just the window. You can simply navigate to CurseForge icon, right click and click close window. Also, you can navigate here, right click and click quit. Now, you can restart CurseForge properly and it will fix your problem. Now, step 3 is running CurseForge as administrator. So you can simply navigate to CurseForge's icon, right click it and click run as administrator. Make sure you do this with CurseForge icon. After you do this, your problem will be solved. Now, step 4 is disabling any VPN proxy or ad blocker. So, VPNs and network filters often block CurseForge login request. You can simply search for any VPN that you have, open it, or simply right click on your VPN, click close window, close the program and make sure you also disconnect from any VPN that you have as your extension. So navigate your extensions and simply make sure that your VPNs are turned off. So turn off VPN proxy, Pi-hole or ad blockers, then restart CurseForge and log in. Now, step 5 is logging in using the browser instead. So you can simply navigate to any browser, go to the search bar and type in CurseForge, click on curseforge.com, then click on login button that will appear just at the top. Complete login in your browser, then return to the app when prompted. Now, step 6 is clear CurseForge cache. So what you can also do is close CurseForge completely, then press Windows plus R and type in %appdata% /CurseForge, then hit enter and this will instantly take you to the CurseForge page. We'll have to simply delete the cache folder, then reopen CurseForge. Now, outdated versions can break login. Simply download the latest version from the official CurseForge site and reinstall it instantly. You can navigate to curseforge.com, click get the CurseForge app from the top and install it ASAP. Now, you can also temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try logging in. Simply navigate to the search bar and search for Windows Security, click it and click Virus and Threat Protection. Here, click Manage Settings and turn this real-time protection off and try logging in. This can fix the problem. Now, if nothing works, log out of your Overwolf account if used, restart your PC and log back in fresh. After you do this, your problem will be fixed. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.